Hey, how's it going, everybody? So I'm back. It's been a while since I last uploaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and basically do another unboxing. I guess it would be an unboxing and a setup. Sometime back, I actually bought a tablet, so now it looks a little bit different because this is technically the case that it came, or not that it came with, but that I bought. So I need to, or not that I need to, but I want to set this up as, I guess, like a little mini workstation, let's just say. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what hardware I bought to try to basically make this into somewhat a little portable desktop type of thing. So, nonetheless, let me go ahead and show you exactly what I mean. Well, this is technically two devices. So the first one that I'm going to show you is, of course, this Logitech Pebble. This is the M350 model. So this is a Bluetooth mouse that you could go ahead and use. It also has the little USB dongle, so you could go ahead and actually connect it to a computer. But the main reason why I bought this one was because it has Bluetooth, and I want to see if I can technically connect it to my tablet and start using it as a little mouse. So that's the first thing. And next is this little keyboard. So this is the Logitech Multi-Device K380. And just like the mouse, this keyboard can actually connect to Bluetooth devices. And if I remember correctly, I think you're able to toggle between, because it has, like, you know, for option 1, 2, and 3 right there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Alrighty, so let me go ahead and unbox it, and then let's see exactly what I need to do to go ahead and get this going. Let's go ahead and basically take a look at this little mouse. So it's tiny, you know, let's go ahead and basically take a look at it. So go ahead and just pull this back. There it is. So what do we get? Let's see. Documentation, I guess, how to connect it via Bluetooth right here. So little instructions. And of course, we got the mouse itself. So there it is. It's not that, you know, not that big. It's small, you know. It doesn't really take up too much of my hand. So kind of like comparing it to kind of like something like this other mouse. You know, this technically kind of like rounds out pretty well. This one, not too much. So I feel a little bit lower. So, all right, well, let's go ahead and technically take this out. Battery. So I just pull. Oh, here we go. So there's the battery. So it just basically just lifts up. So let's take this tab out. It of course includes a battery, and then here's that little dongle that I was talking about. So you could go right ahead and connect it to your PC. For me, I'm not going to really be using it that way. It's going to be just Bluetooth. So cool. Oh, see, there it is. So it's already trying to figure out exactly what to connect to. And of course, it does have an on and off button right there. So that's off. So, all right, cool. All right, well, yeah, tiny little mouse. Alrighty, well, that's the first one. So let's go ahead and basically take a look at the keyboard. Sweet. Okay. Take a look. There we go. So this keyboard's also pretty small. It's not that big. Oh, come on out. So there it is. Let's see. All right, so we got some, of course, instructions in the back. So yeah, there it is. So just basically, I guess, hold down to the, I guess, the first button, and that kind of switches through the devices. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that's that. What do we got here? Just documentation and nothing else on the box. First thoughts, it's a little bit heavier than I was anticipating. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy. It's not too bad, but yeah, you know, for being such a small little keyboard, I mean, you could just technically just take a look at, you know, my full size keyboard over here that I use for my desk, and then this one here. And then, of course, just basically the size to the actual tablet itself. So it's a little bit bigger. All right, so let's see. I know that there's a tab here. So we need to take this out. So battery's already included. Right. Tear this out. Sweet. Alrighty, so this one really, I thought this one had a dongle, but I guess it doesn't. So it's just basically just Bluetooth. Hey, how's it going, everybody? So this is me from the future. So I had no idea because I didn't see this button until just right now. So this is the on and off switch. So of course this is off and then that is on. So yeah, I thought you were just basically turning it on that way, but I guess it was always on since, yeah. So anyways, just FYI on that one. All right, so to turn this puppy on, you just basically hold this button for 3 seconds and then it basically starts trying to sync up. So you could go right ahead and see that it's trying to find a Bluetooth device. So I presume that if you do that on this one, it'll go right ahead and switch over. So you could go right ahead and program these as you see fit. So for right now, let's just go right ahead and just basically leave it like, yeah, let's do it like that. Okay, cool. So let me go right ahead and basically try to sync these things up to my tablet. Alrighty, so I was trying to technically connect the tablet to my rig, but I guess the little tethering thing really doesn't really work right now. So, alright, so let's go ahead and try to connect the actual mouse first. So let me go ahead and turn this on. There it is. We'll do scan. And there it is, Logitech Pebble. Let's go ahead and pair. And there it is. So, oh, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's the little mouse right there. So it's working. Awesome. All right, well, now that we got that one working, let's go ahead and see if we can get the actual keyboard to work. So, like before, let's go ahead and just basically hold this button down. Looks like it's syncing. Let's see, let's scan again. Oh, what is this? Getting device name, keyboard, there it is. So the K380. And pair requests. So enter. Okay, so there's the code. So let's enter 493319. Then return enter. There it is. Cool. So you see the keyboard's connected as well as the Pebble's connected. All right. So how I'm going to test this out is I am going to basically run, what is it? Dex, and then see if I could go right ahead and basically, you know, get maybe a document open and see if it works. Okay. So to get into Dex, all you got to do for technically this device is just basically scroll down again, and then you should see an icon here, or if not, if it's not there, you could go right ahead and just basically swipe to the right and see if it's available there. This is only for Samsung devices, so just FYI, and it's not for all of them, so it's for some of them. So all we do is we hit Dex. And there it is. We got a desktop. So, all right, well, let me see. So since I'm connected, let's see if I do start. Oh, it's bringing up the start. Okay, so let's see. What if I hit right? All right. Oh, there we go. Okay. From there, I'm able to go right ahead and select certain applications, and which technically I'm thinking that I can also select them via the mouse. So there it is. So I could go right ahead and just basically go back and forth, go to the actual start menu. All right, so there it is. So technically, yeah, it is paired. All right, so let me go right ahead and just basically bring up OneNote. This is pretty cool, man. So I'm able to go right ahead and just basically place it wherever I want. So it even has that, what is it? That little thing that you can actually do, like even on Windows 10 and I think it's also 11, that you're able to have two things open at the same time. There it is. So you can have them side by side. So that's pretty cool. All right. So let me just go right ahead and maximize this. And let's just go right ahead and start typing in A, S, D, F, G, H, G, A, K, L. And there it is. Yeah. So everything is working. That is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and basically test this out and see exactly how how it works. But yeah, that was technically what I wanted to kind of do. Initially, I wanted to buy like the kind of like the case that has the keyboard, but the keyboard that was on some of the models that I saw, it wasn't really the best. I didn't think it was gonna like stand up to, you know, possibly constant use. So now with this, you know, I could just go ahead and basically stand this up and then have my keyboard here and then my mouse, and then I could go right ahead and, you know, just do what I need to do. So this is pretty cool. So there we go. So that is I guess my little unboxing and kind of like setup on connecting these two devices to my tablet. Alrighty everybody, well that is the end of this video. For those of you that are new here, and for those of you that have, you know, technically, you know, stuck by my side, you know, for some time, I did take a little hiatus. It was technically, I want to say possibly it's already been over a month. So no worries. I mean, it's not because of my motorcycle accident. Hands doing pretty good. I'm not 100% yet, but I'm getting there. So no worries. It's not because of that. I'm doing good. Alrighty, everybody. Well, go ahead and stick around. I'm gonna try to keep on basically making videos for you, some more tutorials. We'll see. It's like we'll see what happens in the near future and see what ideas pop into my head. Well, everybody, thank you very much for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.